This is Akhil, one of our very good friend and a very religious person. Today, he has convinced us to visit Hanol temple with him. In our last video, we rode up to Dasau, which is a small village near Chakrata. Today, we will start our ride from this village. The route which we will take today is very interesting. We will ride parallel to Himachal and Uttarakhand border. So you can see Himachal Pradesh on one side and Uttarakhand on the other. We are going down from Dasau to Kuanu, and reaching Kuanu, we will encounter Tons River. This river serves as a border between Himachal and Uttarakhand. The mountains to the left of this river is Himachal Pradesh, and to the right we have Uttarakhand. We have travelled on this road last year, and its condition was very good. But seems this year rain has caused major damage to tarmac. This road is not as smooth as it was last year. For a short path, we will have to cross this river and enter into Himachal and then return back to Uttarakhand. This bridge is the border between Uttarakhand and Himachal. And now we have just entered Himachal Pradesh. The roads on this route is not so great, so we will take a different route to go back. We will take the route via Chakrata. That road is narrow, but it hardly has any rough patches. And crossing another bridge, we came back to Uttarakhand. Riding along the river keeps the weather hot, which makes us uncomfortable. But these beautiful forests makes our ride a lot more enjoyable. Finally, we reached our destination Hanol temple. This temple is estimated to be built in 9th century. It is dedicated to Lord Mahasu. Lord Mahasu is the chief deity of this area and is worshipped in Mahasu Devta temple by the people of Hanol and nearby villages of Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. This temple is situated right near Tons River and surrounded by beautiful hills on all sides. The sound of the river gushing through these peaceful mountains gives this temple a serene feel. This temple is very famous amongst local, and Lord Mahasu has been their protector for centuries. The location of this temple also makes it a great place to visit. After spending some peaceful time at this temple, we decided to leave. Akhil will part ways from us from here. He has to reach Mussoorie today, so he will follow the route via Purola. We will take the route via Chakrata to reach Dasau.
बाय बाय ओके बाय बाय
This road has far better landscape than the one we took to reach Hanul. Maybe because this one is so smooth that we can concentrate on the view rather than avoiding potholes on the road. And then we reached Lokhandi. Lokhandi was visible to us from Dasau, and this mountain was always covered with fog. When we reached here, we were engulfed by this beautiful fog. The visibility decreased a lot, but the feeling we got riding in this weather was out of this world. It felt like we are riding right through the clouds. Soon we crossed Chakrata and it got dark. The road from Chakrata to Sayya is great, but from Sayya to Dasau, we have to cover 30 kilometers. This road is very narrow with steep cliff on one side. At night, this route was covered with fog, which made our ride a lot more dangerous, but we safely reached Dasau.